In the 1600s, this was a peaceful colony until tragedy struck. Two brothers were lured into a realm of evil by a real witch, never to be seen again.
My journey through the demon realm is far from over, but today I humbly donate my journal to the ages. Entry 1, May 21st, I think. My name is Philip Wittebane, and I have found myself in a world so horrid, yet so fantastic. Few minds could have dreamt it. If only those at home could see what I have, but perhaps they shall. For the more I learn about this realm, the more I am certain I can harness its strange powers to return home. Today, I begin recording my journey to create a portal back to the human realm.
And Luce's new GF showed her tips and tricks to get more information from that old human's diary.
After 5 years, I have finally found it. A power source so potent it can pierce through realms. Titan's blood. There are old tales of lakes reflecting green trees and blue skies. The Titan's veins run through the land, and many believe that these wild portals are created when a little of its blood leaks into the water. That is how I came here, so that is the first place I shall look. I will journey back to Eclipse Lake. My journey to Eclipse Lake has been a success, and yet a tragic failure. The tunnels were filled with a substance known as fool's blood. It signifies a decaying vein. I was lucky to get out alive. My companions were not. After careful analysis during this Deadwardian era, I believe the current human year is 1660. Or is it 70? The years are flashing by, but it will all be worth it. I've gathered all the portal ingredients, including Titan's blood.
Ask your friend there what happened to our brother Bluefang and his palisman.
How could they be tricked so easily?
I wouldn't be so judgmental if I were you.
His pretty little words should make pretty good kindling.
That doesn't belong to you. No. No, no, no!
Ow!
So he's already gotten to the Titan blood. Who's that?
That's private.
You're Philip Wittebane, aren't you?
Now, anyone bring a torch? Astounding! I thought I was the only one who used pictoglyphs.
You use glyphs too?
How else could I have survived here? Plant growth, ice, fire. Took years to find them. Almost as if the world wanted to hide them from me. I even found one in a snowflake.
My dude, me too!
A warrior and a scholar. Truly impressive.
Can't believe I taught Philip something new!
All that's left is to seek out the Collector, and he will tell me what I need to complete my mission. But first, my companions and I must face...
It's okay, we can help! I'll go talk to Philip. I single-handedly defeated the beast behind the door.
Philip, why did you bring us here?
Found you.
No, you want to get home, but nothing is worth hurting people!
Good luck with your crab castle, or whatever. You witches come up with the worst lies. And so I doggedly limped home, but I had my prize. How to describe you? Oval? Oblong? A round boy? If you or your aunt want to... Ah, you hateable sorceress! Those barbarians, those witches! doesn't matter. I just need to live long enough to see this through. And you're going to help me, Collector.
No, no, no! You're Belos! You're just Belos!
Please, do me a kindness and call me by my real name.
I can't.
Is it true that rain doesn't boil in the human realm?
It is. You know, I've been there before. Did I ever tell you that? The trees there are green, the nights are quiet. I look forward to seeing it again.
I know you didn't want me going to Eclipse Lake, but if I hadn't, I wouldn't have found this. Some of the Titan blood did spill, but if you let me explain that...
Leave. Now.
Ooh, you were mad! I thought you were gonna go all... on that kid.
Not as long as he stays on the right path. I say the Titan has big plans for you, and he does what he's told, unlike the previous attempts.
I'm starting to think you make those things just to destroy them. You have fun with it. Admit it!
Of course I don't, Collector. It hurts every time he chooses to betray me.
You nervous? You haven't been home in like how many hundreds of years? What if it's all changed? What if you changed? You got so used to eating palisman, you can barely keep your human shape anymore. I can't wait to get out of this prison. There are so many games I want to play. If we need a third player, we can make another Grimwalker.
No. Not until I've dealt with this one.
Just free me already! You promised!
The draining spell must work first, like you promised.
You need to have more faith in Pinky Swears.
Don't worry, Collector. Your patience will be rewarded. The day of unity is about to begin. I'm sorry, but I just realized I only have enough Titan's blood to open the portal.
But you said we were friends. We pinky swore. You lied! Liar! 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 Perhaps this act is worthy of returning me to my old post. Or, if you're looking for a new right hand...
Have you as my right hand? I'd sooner cut off my whole arm.
But... I just want to help.
You want to help? Go find a hole to wither away in. And you.
I gave you the draining spell. I taught you magic stronger than anybody's.
And that's why I won't release you. Can't have you giving that to anyone else. Goodbye.
You're a liar, liar, pants on fire!
I didn't realize you're already combining glyphs. You do have a strange intuition with these. It took me years to figure that out. Almost like the Titan himself didn't want me to have that knowledge.
You'll never make it out of here unless you stop the draining spell right now. I said stop it.
All right, Belos, time to calm down a little.
only wanted to help you.
You're lying!
Here comes a new challenger!
What you playing?
Collector. You're free, just as promised.
As promised? I remember someone throwing me off a bridge. I'm not angry though. Say, you wanna play tag? I'm it.